Hey guys,
We are at Boigao Beach. It's so nice over here. You can see there are like very few people. It's so peaceful over here. You can enjoy the view in the morning. It's currently almost like 8:30 in the morning, and I'm here with my friend Sai, who is enjoying the view.
skipping to the location, which is a
The farms you can see here cluster beans or गवारांची भाजी ही उगवली जाते इथे आणि मुळी पण भेटेल यू कॅन इवन फाइंड radish over here and you can see the lady she is picking out the cluster beans. बाकी तुमचं नाव काय आहे?
कार्मेल तोमास डाबरे.
आणि इथे आपली गवाराची भाजी ही किती दिवसापासून उगवते म्हणजे किती महिन्यापासून?
हे आता 2-3 महिने चालू असते, नंतर नाही.
त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही काय उगवता मग?
नंतर चवळी लावतो आम्ही.
चवळी ही इथे कशी उगते म्हणजे असं फक्त
चवळी लावायची आणि मांडव करतात आम्ही.
अच्छा.
आणि मग ती पावसाळ्यात असते.
हां
आता उन्हाळी पण
तुम्ही
असतात.
दाखवू शकता काय काय काढलेत?
हे गवार तोडली ते दाखवते.
Here she is showing how she is picking up the cluster beans. It's very handful from the one plant you can say, and there are like acres of land which have been planted with the cluster beans. Even those small samplings present over here, they have been planted with the cluster beans, and it's so huge. The farm is so huge. The cluster beans, they grow in a form of a group. That's the reason they have been called as a cluster beans. You can see this is how they grow. You can see over here they just pop out from the stem, and you can imagine how huge the farm is. The lady, she is holding a bunch of them. She has just picked it in 5 or 10 minutes. It's so amazing. After the cluster beans, we are here in the middle of a farm. Currently, we are popping out the horseradish. Oh, it comes out so easily. काकी याला म्हणजे असंच डायरेक्टली खाऊ शकतो?
हं?
मी कधी खाल्ला नाही.
खा ना, घरी घेऊन जा.
इथे खाल्लं तर?
इथे खाल्लं तर धुवायला लागेल.
असं झटकून?
हां हां, सुरीने हे साफ करून ना खाल्लं.
असं तोडू मधून?
हां, हे घे ना, तिथून पण तोड ना. पाला काढून टाक. पालाची भाजी वगैरे बनतात.
After enjoying the muli, or you can say horseradish or radish, whatever you call it, we are back to the beach and we are going to enjoy a misal pav, the delicacy of Vasai, and here's the moli. Please don't show it. I have enjoyed it. Actually, no. If you're watching the Munchie Guys vlog, it has to start off with a chai from the Navani's Ban Maska Cafe,
which is famous for its refreshing tea and accompanied by a bun maska. It is a small stall located just opposite to the Central Bank of India and even at a walkable distance from Vasai Road railway station.
after this fantastic chai, it's finally the time to enjoy a misal at Santosh Misal, which is in Vasai.
You will easily find this location on your maps as it is one of the most well-known places to visit for a misal. And suppose if you are coming here by train, this shop is at a walkable distance from the station itself.
This place is famous for its mouth-watering misal as well as some spicy misals you can try in Vasai. I'll show you the misal. It's so aromatic. You can check out the misal, or you can say the oil is so spicy. I can literally smell the spices over here. You can check out the misal. काका तुमचे दुकान किती टायमापासून चालू आहे? 23 वर्ष. त्यापासून म्हणजे तुम्ही काय असं रेसिपीमध्ये चेंजेस वगैरे काय केलेत?
म्हणजे जवळपास मी सगळीकडे दौरा करून आहे ना, मी सगळ्याकडचे म्हणजे ऑब्झर्वेशन करून मी माझ्या पद्धतीने ती सगळी टेस्ट सगळ्यांना त्या पद्धतीने मिळावी. म्हणजे
हा.
कोल्हापूरची हे ते
कोल्हापूरची
अशा,
मिसळ
हो, सोलापूर, कोल्हापूर,
ते म्हणजे
पुणे
एकदम सणसणीत
हो.
असली पाहिजे.
सर्वांचं एक मिश्रण केलं एक प्रकारे.
हा. So this is the missile. I just can't wait to enjoy this. It's finally time to try out the spicy missile. Just stay with me. So let us begin in the missile. Starting off with the missile, the first thing you do is put lemon in it. Just squeeze it all over it. It just
And
add
not
up.
on my body. It's just doing here.
Let me mix the onion and the oh wow, you can see there is save, there's a chickpeas, some moong and some black beans. This looks so tempting. You can check out the pav is like so soft, it just breaks off. It's so fresh over here. Going off with the missile, let me try it. It's so warm. Let us enjoy. Pro tip for you: don't open when it's too hot. Otherwise, you will burn your tongue. Let me try just the missile. You can literally taste the spices that I'm sweating right now. It contains a ton of spices. It's added with some kolhapuri masala and the black beans. And just go fantastic over with this missile. Let me open to this until I finish this up, and I'm literally sweating over this. It's so hot and spicy too. He's so welcoming. He just taught me the correct way to eat the missile. All you need to do is put on the missile from the small plate to the large plate and add it with the tari. You can see the oil floating over here. It's not just oil, it's chili oil, which gives a spiciness to the missile. Oh. You can see, just the missile is started floating on the oil. Oops. So let us enjoy. After finishing off this spiciest missile, I really do need a sweet snack, or you can call it as a dessert after a breakfast. It's like so hot. It's December heat, you can say, but all the heat present right now, it's due to the missile from Santosh Missile. The uncle told me they are like from 25 years, but initially they started off with a stall, and right now they are selling it in the shop. And they also did get a award from the Z Marathi or some channel, they told me, and it's worth eating over here. You should definitely come and try the missile over here. And the missile we tried was the medium spicy. I dare you to try out the spiciest missile. It also comes with a Kolhapuri thesa. So definitely come and try out this missile. You'll love it. After enjoying the spiciest missile, it's time to enjoy a Gujarati breakfast over here at Bikaner Sweets in Vasai.
This location is right beside the Navani's Cafe where we enjoyed our Nagpuri tea. It is famous for its morning breakfast as well as some chaat, samosas and vada pav.
You can see how he is just pressing the dough and some amazing papadas are being made. This is the process. He just applies the pressure over his hand. And it's ready to go. can call it as a piece of artwork. The way he is applying the pressure, and it needs some of the skill set you need to apply. Let me ask, for how many years he is making this papadas? So coming to the पापड़ा, अंकल आपको ये सीखने में कितने दिन लगते हैं?
2 दिन लगा।
कितने?
1-2 दिन।
1-2 दिन में आप सीख गए पूरा? अगर मैं ये अभी बनाने का ट्राई करूँ तो बना पाऊंगा?
अभी आपके ऊपर है।
So easily that I can make it in 1 or 2 days, but I don't think so I have the skill set to make those right now. I am good at eating but not in making. So let's skip to the eating part. Let's enjoy it right here. Coming to the food part, here we have 3 plates full of jalebi, papada and papaya salad. This is so orgasmic. The dining is currently closed because of the COVID situation, so we are enjoying it right in the backseat of the scooty. So let me hop into this dessert. Starting off with the jalebi, as after the spicy missile, I do need to eat a sweet dish. I'm so sweating right now. Let me enjoy it. Oh. It's been cooked in the ghee. It has a subtle taste and it's not so sweet, but it just gives you a soothing taste, and you need to clean it up with a chili. Let's try. Oh damn. That was not a great option. Let's enjoy papada with some papaya salad. You can see there is a seasoning over this papada. It does give it a salty taste, but it's so enjoyable. I have like so many flavors in my plate. You can see the papaya over here, it's bitter. The chilies are spicy. The papada is salty, as well as something like it's bit of dry, and the jalebi gives it a sweet taste, but with the smoothness of the ghee. So let me enjoy the papada and the jalebi. I'll meet you in the next time phase. After enjoying the heavy breakfast, it's time to say goodbye. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, keep enjoying and keep eating.
Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.